Hey guys, in this video I want to talk to you about payment gateways. So I used to use PayPal for many years, but their management and their attitude changed so much in the last few years that basically I came across so many situations where my money was blocked, my funds, either I couldn't take money, or even if the money was in my account I couldn't transfer them, or the worst situations where the reversal. So, for example, when someone claimed the money back, although there was absolutely no protection for for the seller. For example, for myself, if someone bought something from me, if someone bought product or a service, there was virtually no protection from PayPal to sellers. They automatically took the side of the buyer, even if the buyer was actually, lying, or really just wants to get the money back, although they received a service or a product. So I walked away from PayPal and I moved to Stripe, and I'm using Stripe at the moment all the time, but this is the only payment gateway that I'm using. So I would love to have like a backup, and I'm looking for a payment gateway that won't cost me monthly fees, because it will be just being used as emergency. So I'm looking for something that obviously will be free on a monthly basis and will come only with the transaction fees. For example, if I accept the transaction, if I accept the money, if I take the payment, then I pay for the transaction. Um, and I'm based in UK, and kind of there is really lack of reliable payment gateways that are based online, because I looked into SagePay, but they come with monthly fee. I think it's the minimum £15 of monthly fee, and goes up. So if I want to be using it, I will still will have to pay. There's also Skrill, which is money transfers, but I think only someone with a Skrill account will be able to transfer the money. So if you take the payment from the client, means they would have to open the account specially, so obviously it's not the most convenient way. There's also Square, and I'm looking into Square. It kind of is convenient, but I can only accept payments in British pounds, so my transactions are in US dollars, so I would have to do the obviously the currency conversion, and the clients would be paying the fee, like the conversion fee. So this is not the most convenient, but obviously this is an option, emergency, because it doesn't come with any monthly fees. So if you are using a payment gateway that you're happy with, that it's not PayPal or Square, do let me know, because I'm looking for a really, really good alternative for someone who is based in UK, and obviously it's important to take payments in US dollars. So if you know of a platform like that, please let me know. Please leave a comment below and click like under this video, click subscribe for more e-commerce, SEO and business news, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.